Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to see archive live on Instagram. Maybe you want to know on how you can see your archive live on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can see your archive live on your Instagram. The video description, I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you log in, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. Below, at the lower right corner of your screen, you will see your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. And then in here, once you're on your profile page, tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you will see here the archive option. Tap on it. After that, you will see here your stories archive. So to see your live archive, simply tap on this drop-down button beside this story archive. And then in here, you will see here the live archive. Tap on this live archive. And then in here, you will see your live archive. As you can see, live stream are saved to archive for only 30 days. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your live archive on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see archive live stream on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.